Guys, ito yung mga dalawang sikat dito sa Shirin. Ito yung sa Hot Star, the Country Pie, and the Toothpick. So, let's taste it. And then this one, the Toothpick. This one is a little bit sweet. Yeah, it's sweet.
Ang binili mo yung lada.
Yeah.
Iyaw lama. Tsaka kapikyaw.
And then this one, not spicy. This one, a little bit sweet. Yeah. Sarap din.
Masarap, di ba?
This one much better.
This one.
Anak ko.
This anak.
Nakakain na sila niyan.
This one is spicy.
Ayoko mas malayo yun. Diyan na lang tayo shabu-shabu. Ito kay lola mo.
Fish as well.
Yung house na. Nakakain
Ano,
na.
masarap?
Mas gusto ko yun.